Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your sound on your headset when it's not working. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So if you are trying to play on your PlayStation 5 and you don't have any sound that's working on your PlayStation headset, how could you go ahead and fix this? Now, the first thing you should go ahead and do is completely turn off your PlayStation 5. So, go ahead and locate the power button and hold this down and completely turn it off. And there shouldn't be any lights on over here. It shouldn't be red or orange. And you'll know it's completely turned off when it's just blank. Then you want to turn around your PlayStation 5 and locate the power cord and the HDMI cable right here. Now, I would suggest trying a different HDMI cable or rotating this end of the HDMI cable and putting it into your TV, and then taking the TV end and putting it into your PlayStation 5. Then unplug it from the wall outlet for approximately 1 minute, and then do the same thing for your TV also. So unplug your PlayStation and your TV, and then plug everything back in. Now, another thing you should be aware about: on the PlayStation 5 controller, there is a mic mute button located right here. If you press it once, it will mute your microphone. And then if you hold it down, it will mute all the audio. So once my PlayStation turns on, you'll see this option. So let's press it once. And it's orange now, and my microphone is muted. If I hold it down, all the audio and my microphone is muted. Now if you press the PlayStation button, and then go on down to the sound options right here, you'll see both of them are muted now. Now go to sound under here, and you can easily unmute it. But go to your output device, and make sure your headset is selected. So I don't have anything selected, so let's plug in a headset. So now I plugged in a headset, I have my Turtle Beach Stealth 700 as an option. Make sure you have your headset selected. And then your volume is all the way up so you can actually hear. And then go over to the microphone and do the same thing under here. So let's unmute it and adjust the microphone level so it's at least in the good section so your party chat can hear you. Also under sound settings here, if we go on down under sound and then go to audio output and go on down under here, we could try disabling 3D audio. So right now I have enabled 3D audio for a headset. We could try disabling this. Then also, if you want all the audio inside your headset, go ahead and go to all audio under output to headphones. If you don't have this selected, only the voice chat will go through your headset, and then the game volume and sound will be going through your TV. So if you don't have your TV speakers on, all you're getting is actually the voice chat in your headphones. Then you could go to adjust 3D audio profile as well, and this is kind of cool. It can kind of determine the height of the 3D audio, if it's a little bit higher on the headphones or lower. So for me, default is the best. Then go on down to audio format priority and try Dolby. But you could also try linear PCM and DTS to see if there's any difference in sound. Maybe one sounds better than the other, or maybe one works and the other doesn't. Then also on some headsets like this, there could be a little slider right here where you can slide it up or down to mute your microphone or power on the unit or power it off. So if you actually plug in your headset and you have it turned off, well, you're not going to get any audio. So just be aware about sliders like this, muting your microphone or turning it off. And some fancy headsets like this Turtle Beach actually has two different volume knobs. One is for like the Bluetooth audio coming in, and then the top is for the volume for the headset itself, for like your game volume. Then you have different audio profiles like bass boost mode, etc. And there is a phone app for this Stealth 700 as well. So if I want to completely change everything around, make it a little bit louder, I could do that. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.